fire. Had to fire up the stove. We have no heat. As you can see, the river has come way up. She is underwater again. That dock over there is where I was standing over there earlier in the video. But there goes my neighbor's. Where is it? There goes my neighbor's steps. Here comes a kayak. That water is ripping. People way over there are underwater again. Second time in this year. Thank God I got my wood stove. My driveway looks like a tornado hit it. River's supposed to come up too. She sent me a text saying she's on her way home. I told her turn around and go back to the city. You're underwater. Happy Halloween 2019.